Can you come up and raise the main because we're heading toward the rocks? I'm not going anywhere. Hi, we're Beau and Brandy, and this is our salty papoona. We spent the last year and a half sailing around the Caribbean in our tiny home, Saoirse. There's always a little mystery to our sailing. With each island we visit, we have no idea what we're in for. And this time, it's no different. We get one last sail in before the COVID-19 lockdown begins in St. Martin. And now we're not sure when we'll be able to sail next. So, it's time to get comfortable.
We're on the move again. We're gonna switch anchorages. Ain't that right, Oona? She's barking at all the neighbors. We're right in the path of all the ferries, so I think they've been having a fun time waking us. And it's been a little rocky rolly. We're right by the French Canal entrance for the lagoon here in Marigot. So we're gonna move just north to Grand Case, and hopefully it'll be a little bit of a nicer anchorage. We do want to do some exploring, so we're hoping the beaches are nice up there and we can get a little taste of the St. Martin culture. It's gonna be a quick sail. We're actually not even gonna raise the sails. We're just going to motor up there. There's not much wind. I think it might be blowing like 8 knots and we'd be beating into it the whole time. So it'd probably take us all day just to move up 3 miles. It'll be good to get the motor working anyways. Give it a little exercise. Pointed right into it, and the swell's giving us a little bit of resistance, so we're only going about average of 2 knots, but we're taking it easy. We don't want to burn up too much power, so we should get there with plenty of time. And this is how we motor, nice and slow. We've got the solar panels tilted at a pretty good angle. We're bringing in about 13 amps, a little over 13 amps. But overall, we're burning, I think, 25 to 30 amps, somewhere in there. It does help having them down so we can compensate a little bit. That way when we do get there, we still have enough power to use our induction stove, make dinner, run our lights, and edit video.
Love, I think you should just come up and raise the main because I don't think we're going anywhere. We're heading toward the rocks. I'm not going anywhere.
Are you able to fall off at least?
I can't do anything, hun. Fall off where? Back this way?
Oh, the other way.
What way?
To our port.
Port? No, I can't. I mean, I can try to turn it back on.
I wonder if there's seaweed caught on the top.
Do you want me to turn on?
Looks like you turned it. No?
Yeah, I turned it off and then...
Going?
Yeah, seems to be. Possibly. Maybe that's what it was.
So we had a little bit of a scare. We think some seaweed got stuck in the prop and we basically weren't going anywhere but towards these rocks right here. But Brandy shut off the motor. Brandy shut off the motor, then turned it back on, and it seemed to clear the prop, and now we're moving again.
All right, when you get impatient, you raise the sails. We are going just under 2 knots, and we raised the head in the main, and now we're going 3. So gain a little extra, get there quicker. It's a little bit more of a hassle to raise the sails, but we're used to it.
That's what we do.
That's what we do. Yeah, we're going 3.5 now, so much better.
And it feels right. Before we were like wobbling all over. Now we're like on a dead course.
Yeah.
Not too much wake from the swell.
But at least Oona got a bath while we were under the motor. Now she's all sparkly and clean. She doesn't like baths though. We are heading into the anchorage now, and it's not too busy, so that's good. There are 2 yellow anchor markers over here. 2 anchor markers? There's 2 yellow markers over here that we're not supposed to go in between because all the airplanes come through here and you could actually risk taking your mast off. So we don't want that. Heard that there's a street festival on Tuesday, not sure. Just kind of want to keep to ourselves and get some work done and have a nice calm anchorage. We're here.
We made it.
We came up to Grand Case because because of a couple that recommended it. They've been here before. It's one of their favorite places here.
And we see why.
Yeah, a lot less busy than the main port that we were just in. There's actually a north swell coming through right now and we're still protected.
Yeah, actually way less swell here than when we were in Marigot. And there is 0 ferries running through, waking us. There's
1 sailboat over here and every other sailboat is over there. So we are enjoying that. We're gonna enjoy the spot, I think.
Yeah.
Hoping that there's some diving to do too.
Yeah, there's a little south point over here that we passed on the way in. A lot of coral.
But first things first, Miss Oona definitely wants to be at the beach. I just said beach and her ears popped up. So we're gonna go take her for a walk. We'll see you guys later.
Hold me tight. Could you hold me tight?
There's a nice little dive spot just to the north of here. So we're gonna go check that out. Maybe there's some deep ledges. That'll be nice because there tends to be a lot more life when there's deeper water.
But this is a national park, so no catching of anything. Hands off. Just observing.
It is?
Yep. Bubby, I'm sorry.
It's fine.
I forgot to pack his flippers. So now he's gonna have to swim without any on. I think you'll be okay.
I'll be alright.
It's really amazing out here. This water is so gorgeous. I'm ready. Just go, whatever. You look like Spider-Man.
You do a backflip?
No, not with your mask on, you cray. That was a cool little dive.
Yeah,
There's
a lot of life.
A lot of life, a lot of fish life.
Yeah, a lot of fish. How those coming out? Nice and clean?
Nice and clean. Water making day means washing day. We're getting pretty low on things to do during this quarantine. But to be honest, this is something we would be doing regardless of the quarantine. It's just getting us to do more things at once. They just extended it, so we'll be hanging out on the boat longer, which is fine. But we've gotten really lucky. We're gonna be able to move to a different area. We're able to walk Oona. Next up, Oona's getting a haircut.
This time, it's not gonna be me. Brandy's gonna step in.
Beau needs to go up the mast and do some work on the mast. Right?
Yes. It's supposed to be pretty calm today. We're still in Grand Cas, but tomorrow we're thinking about moving around to Il Pinel. Is that the name of it? Il Pinel?
Il Pinel.
Which is on the east side of St. Martin. We keep swinging around here, which is fine because everybody has anchored pretty far away, so we do have enough swing room to pretty much do 360s. The wind comes off the mountain a little crazy, so every boat's in a different position.
I'm on rent cycle. What smell do we want to have for our cushions?
What do we got?
Got lemon, relaxation, or peppermint.
Relaxation.
Relaxation?
Want to relax while we're sitting on the cushions.
It might be too high up. Guess I'm not gonna hang it there.
Extra rinse?
Extra salty rinse. Sometimes there's an extra rinse involved for yourself and your laundry. Felt good though. Bottom definitely needs to be cleaned. It's not too bad though.
You about ready to go up the mast?
So I'm volunteered to go up. I'm lighter. Beau can hoist me. we have to kind of do a weird system to get him hoisted up because we don't have electric winches. He uses a purchase system. There's nothing really too complicated today. I've got to spray some things, lube them down, and we have to switch over our, what are they called?
Jack lines.
Yeah, we have to switch over the jack lines because we have them over the spreaders and they shouldn't be there. So super easy, quick fix, just up easy. I like going up anyways, so here we go.
Mind the gusts of wind.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere.
Okay. Perfect timing to go to the bathroom, I would say so. Check out this view though.
How's it going?
Still here.
So Brandy found some exposed wire, or at least so there's some chafing going on. So she is gonna do some repair jobs while she's up there. But that's why we're having her go up the mast so she can check everything out. She is all the way up there. Good thing she trusts me. All done up there? Yeah. Yeah, put that all the way down, the sailcoat. What are you gonna give me if I let you down? She's silent. I need a bribe for you to come down. I'll let you down, I guess.
Working hard for her money, so hard for her money. You better treat her right. He can't hear me. Probably can't either. It's so windy. Ready?
Did you have fun up there?
Yeah, thanks for threatening for me not to come down. Rat.
Just a joke, little joke.
So those people have been out there all day. I'm wondering what that black boat is. I wonder if it's the Coast Guard telling them they can't be out there. I hope not. It was really pretty up there, but the wind gusts were a little strong. Not too bad though. But this is lubed so much that when you lift it up, it better go off the mast. Hopefully it'll help.
Well, I hope not.
Hope it's easier.
Good job.
Thanks.
What do you see?
Whoa. I'm pretty sure that's the Coast Guard and they're getting air out there. I hope that would. I mean, those guys have been out there all day, so I'm wondering if that was the Coast Guard telling them to go in and not be out. That stinks. I hope not. I don't want to start rumors, but definitely look like the Coast Guard. These people in this boat probably think I'm staring into their boat right now. Hi, neighbors! She went for a lioness haircut today. Pretty typical. It's her standard. Alright. What tea do you want? Citrus, the exotiques, or the freeze rhubarb?
Let's have the exotics.
The purple label.
Ooh, that's my favorite. Alright, hurry. The sunset's happening.
Okay, why don't do you want to put the stuff out?
Yeah. You make the tea?
I'll make the tea.
Boon a bear.
Welcome to our sunset deck. Been doing this for the past couple weeks. We've made a little routine out of it.
Got our tea.
We got a Boona bear. And we got the sunset.
Just taking a little bit of time out of each day and just enjoying the sunset, enjoying where we're at, being grateful. Yeah, grateful, present.
Yeah. It's been nice. It's been a nice release for the day, especially a busy day.
Speaking of gratitude, we want to thank you guys for watching. If you haven't done so, hit that like button and subscribe. That way you know when our next video is going to come out, and leave a comment.
We want to give a big, huge, amazing shout out to our patrons, as always. Huge thank you to all you guys. You're so supportive, and we love our community of patrons. If you guys are watching and you're liking what we're producing, and if you want to check out more about what Patron is, be sure to check the description, and there's a link there for you to check out.
Well, we're gonna get back to the sunset. We hope you guys enjoy it.
See you next week.
Bye.
Bye.